Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 5 of class 7th, Miracle Chorus. Now, Dhruv was sitting on a bus next to a young boy looking eagerly out of the window. Now one boy, whose name was Dhruv, he was just sitting in a bus next to a young boy who was very eagerly looking out of the window. The boy seemed restless and lost and kept looking anxiously around him. Now, the boy was just been seemed to be restless and lost somewhere, and he was continuously looking around him. Dhruv asked him where he was going, but the boy did not respond. Now, Dhruv he just asked the boy that where he was going, but the boy didn't answer him. It took him a few seconds to realize that this boy was unable to hear or speak. Now, after some time, he just realized that this boy is not able to hear or speak anything. He was deaf. Now, what he realized that he is deaf. He is not able to hear or speak anything. Though the bus conductor regularly announces these stops, this boy still did not know where he was. Now, when the bus conductor he was just regularly announcing the stops, but this boy he was not able to hear those stops, and he was not knowing that where he is. Dhruv took out a piece of paper and wrote him in Hindi, asking him where he was going. Now what Dhruv did, he just took out a piece of paper and he wrote something on it in Hindi, because he just wanted to ask him that where he was going. Through the back and forth pen and paper exchange, it suddenly dawned and Dhruv how difficult life was for the deaf. Now, the pen and paper was just exchanged, and he suddenly realized that how the life of a deaf person is really difficult. Something as straightforward as a bus ride being a struggle. Now he is just thinking that bus ride is very difficult for a deaf person, or it's a struggle. There are over 8 billion deaf people in our country. Now what the Dhruv is just saying that 8 billion people are living in our country. People who are talented and intelligent. Now, people who are talented and intelligent, deafness is an invisible disability. Now, this deafness is an invisible disabilities in these people. One cannot know when someone near them is deaf, as there are no obvious physical attributes. Now, for example, if near us also, if someone is deaf, we are not able to just know that this person is deaf by seeing. Can you find out that this person is deaf? No, we cannot find. So there are no physical attributes in a person so that a person can come to know that this person is deaf. Owing to this, it is totally ignored. Now people, if they know also, they just ignore these type of people. It is also a silent disability. This is also a voiceless disability, that people are not able to speak. There is very little public sympathy for deaf, and by connection a severe lack of government support for them in India. Now there is very less public sympathy for these people, and government is also serving lack support for to these people. Particularly when it comes to employment, there are no opportunities because no one has the patience or foresight to learn deaf language and culture. When it comes to the employment, or for giving the employment to these people who are deaf, there are no opportunities for these people because no one is having that much patience that or foresight that these people can learn these sign language or their culture. When they do not find employment, for most of them it's in the informal sector where they are badly paid. Now with this disability, people are not able to find the employment, and if they find the employment, if they find the jobs also in the informal sector, they are paid very less for that. only seasonally hired and treated especially bad for being deaf, and only in the seasons these people are being hired and they are being just treated very badly. Now, this is how the idea for Miracle Couriers was born in January 2009, and this was the idea for this Miracle Courier was born in January 2009. Over the next few months, Dhruv spent his time exploring the deaf culture and learning Indian Sign Language. Now, coming next few months, what did the Dhruv do? He just spent his time exploring the deaf culture and learning the Indian Sign Language for these people. He focused on courier business because it requires a lot of visual skills but no verbal communication. He just been focused on the courier business because he knows that what it requires a lot of visual skills and there is no verbal communication. The deaf are extremely good at map reading, and he knows that deaf people are good at map reading. They remember the roads, the buildings, because they are so visually inclined, because they have so good visual memory. Whatever they see, they just keep in their mind. The first step for Miracle Courier was to tap the human potential in all their employees. Now, what was the first step of the Miracle Couriers? That to tap the human potential in their employees, and many of the deaf people grow up in an overprotected environment or are subject to ill treatment for being different. And many of the deaf people, they just grow up in this environment and they are subject to ill treat for being different, and they were not being ill treated for being different, that they are not able to speak. Okay, Miracle Couriers gave all its employees a competitive and professionally demanding environment. Now, what this Miracle Courier gave to all its employment? A competitive and professionally demanding environment, forcing them to rise above their disabilities and rise up to take on challenges. What it forces? It forces them to rise above with their disabilities and rise up with the challenges. Working at Miracle gives its employees an immense amount of confidence. As these people are working with Miracle, it gives these people an immense amount of confidence, more confidence to them. That becomes a much more valuable gain than the financial independence that they earn for themselves. What that becomes It becomes a valuable gain for them than the financial independence that they have earned for themselves. As a consequence, many of them are able to go back home and support their families rather than having to be helplessly dependent on them. Now, despite of these all things, what they can do, they are able to go back to their homes and they support their families financially also, rather than being dependent on their families. Okay, and they are not feeling helpless. Over the last 2 years, Miracle Couriers has grown to operate in two branches in Mumbai, employing 70 deaf employees and delivering over 65,000 shipments per month. Over the last 2 months, what they have just come up with, that they have grown to operate two branches in Mumbai and they are employing 70 deaf employees in their company and they are delivering 65,000 shipments per month. The back office is run by 20 hardworking deaf women with particularly acquired knowledge. Now, the back office is run by the 20 hardworking deaf women and they are having the practically acquired knowledge in data entering and manipulation, tracking and scanning, sorting, and other branch operations. 44 male deaf courier agents navigate the complex lands of Mumbai. Now, what is the work of 44 male deaf couriers agents? They are navigating the lanes of the Mumbai. Okay. They travel on public transport to avoid traffic, and in the middle of all this, they manage to remain conscious of keeping a low carbon footprint. Now, when they travel on public transport, they just avoid traffic, and in the middle of all this, they just manage to remain conscious of keeping a low carbon footprint. Okay, next. Everything from pickup to delivery is carefully planned in sign language. Now, everything when they just pick up the courier to the time of delivery, everything is planned in the sign language. The field agent receives instructions via cell phone message of a client address and a time for when document need to be picked up. Now, the field agent, they just receive the instructions via cell phone message. They read the cell phone message of a client address, that where they have to deliver the courier, and at a time for when documents need to be picked up, when they are going to pick up the documents. Upon arriving at the client's office, the shipments are counted and a count confirmation message is sent back to the branch supervisor. Now, when they are arriving at the client's office, the shipments are being counted and the count confirmation message is sent back to the branch office supervisor. Okay, now once the packages arrive at the branch, they are sorted, processed, and prepared for delivery. When the packages are arrived at the branch, they are sorted, they are processed, and they are prepared for the delivery. The back office staff sort the shipment based on pin codes. Now, what the back office staff do? They just sort the shipments based on the pin codes, that in which city or place they are going to deliver that. Further sorting is carried out by each field agent who is responsible for a designated area of delivery. Now, after sorting, it is carried out by the field agent who is responsible for the given area of delivery. Now, these super savvy agents have mastered the narrow lanes and unmarked buildings of the area. Now, these super savvy agents, they have given the knowledge of the narrow lanes and the unmarked buildings of the area. Once sorted, each document is given a tracking code and entered into the system. When each once the uh, that is package is sorted, the document is given a tracking code. Okay, and they are just entered in the system, because you all know everything is nowadays online. This allows the company to track and maintain transparency as to who is responsible for which shipment, so that the company could keep a record or maintain a record of who is responsible for which shipment. A digital delivery status report is then returned to the client that the day after the delivery. Now, after the delivery is done, the digital delivery status report is being returned to the client when they are delivered. The primary language used as Miracle Courier is the Indian Sign Language (ISL). This is the Indian Sign Language which is used at the Miracle Couriers. The entire organization and management of courier operations and the numerous team is conducted in the sign language. Now, the entire organization and the management of the courier operations, they or the numerous teams, they are given the knowledge of this sign language. Okay, the Miracle force is needles to say fluent in the language. Now, these agents or the people of this courier agency, they are fluent in this language. Communication between Miracle field agents and the branch staff during the day is done by text messaging. Now, whatever the communication is between the Miracle field agent and the branch staff, they are doing with the text messages. Messages has been a wonderful technology advancement for the deaf, allowing them to communicate complex and varied message over long distance. Now, this text messaging technology is a wonderful and advancement for the deaf people, as this allows them to communicate all over the world over the long distance also. This also allows the management team members or the branch to broadcast information to all the agents whether they are at home or in the field. This also help the management team members or the branch so that whatever the information they want to give to their agents, they can broadcast whether the agents are at home or in the field with the text message. The back office supervisor are trained in the professional etiquette and productive techniques associated with e-messaging, which is done in English. Now, the back office supervisors, they are trained in the professional etiquette, okay, the code of conduct or the polite behavior in the society, particularly in a professional or a group. They are being taught, they are given the techniques for these with which are associated with e-messaging and which is done in English. As the CEO of the company, Dhruv spent his time meeting new clients, looking after the finances and leading the company forward. Now, who is the CEO of the company? He is Dhruv. He spent his time meeting the new clients and looking after the finances and leading the company forward. Their services, currently available only in Mumbai, are soon to be extended to the cities across India. Now, right now their services are only in the available in the Mumbai only, but after some time they will extend to some other cities across India. The organization has won several awards, including the 2009 Helen Keller Award and 2010 National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disabilities. Now, the organization has won several awards. One award was that is Helen Keller Award in 2009, and in 2010 it was National Award for Empowerment of People with Disability. In December 2010, Miracle Couriers was awarded the National Award for the Empowerment of People with Disabilities by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. What is empowerment, children? To give authority to someone. So, in 2010, Miracle Couriers, they were awarded with the National Award for the for the empowerment of the people with disabilities by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. By this, children, we are end to our story. Okay, now you are going to mark the difficult words, that is anxiously. After that, straightforward, disability, sympathy, opportunities. After that, miraculous, okay, potential. After that, what you are going to is that supervisor confirmation. After that, transparency. Then technology, etiquette, professional techniques, empowerment. Okay, these are the difficult words which you are going to write in your notebook. Okay, children, and the new words you have to do in copy. So the work which you are going to do is the difficult words and the new words in your notebook. In the next class, I will be giving you the question answers, who said to whom, the book exercise, everything I will be giving you in the next class. So children, complete your work with the difficult words of this chapter and the new words. After writing this, you have to learn these new words and difficult words. Okay children, so thank you.